Step into the future with real-time multimedia answering technology. Instant, intelligent, innovation are here. Say goodbye to delays and hello to real-time multimedia responses within seconds. Experience the power of advanced technology at your fingertips with an unlimited usage offer that will transform the way you communicate. GeminAi, world's first true Google's Gemini-powered virtualized AI chatbot app with unlimited usage, bringing you instant answers across text, images, audio, video, and code. This high-tech app outshines ChatGPT 4 and making real-time multimedia responses easy and faster within seconds. Say goodbye to hefty monthly fees with an advanced AI alternative to ChatGPT and openai. Here are the unique features of GeminAi, world's first true Google's Gemini-powered iChatbot. Unlimited usage without any restriction. Elevate content creation. Transform the way you create digital content, making it more engaging and effective. Simplify coding efforts. Accessible, efficient coding for all skill levels. Enhance multimedia interaction. Advanced AI for superior image and video conversation with the iBot. Start making money by charging your clients. No need to pay any monthly fees to any AI apps again. 100% beginner friendly with no coding or technical skills required. Get a free commercial license. Pay one time and use it forever. World-class customer support. Enjoy 24/7 expert support for whatever you need. 30-day money-back guarantee. Unleash limitless possibilities with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the GeminAi app and select the features you want. Step 2. Ask GeminAi bot. Ask any queries in any multimedia format, images, videos, and audio. To GeminAi app, it will answer all the queries. Step 3. Don't revolutionize content creation when the cutting-edge GeminAi generates unlimited, high-quality content effortlessly with just one click. GeminAi is not just another AI. It's a leap into the future of technology. Built from the ground up, Gemini excels in multimodal reasoning across text, images, video, audio, and code, making it incredibly versatile and powerful. Imagine an AI model that not only understands your language, but also interprets and creates multimedia content based on your input. With GeminAi, you get context-aware, human-like interactions, offering a personalized experience that feels natural and intuitive. Its image interaction capabilities take multimedia engagement to new heights, seamlessly recognizing and generating visuals that align perfectly with your needs. GeminAi is a pioneer, surpassing the limitations of other AI technologies, making it an accessible gateway to harnessing the full potential of AI for your personal and professional growth. Revolutionize your business with GeminAi app, unleashing cutting-edge technology to skyrocket your success instantly. Experience the future now. Check out the below link to watch GeminAi in action now.